Good evening. Thank you for the 4 million. The house. Salamat. Basta. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Hi. Thank you for the 9 million. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat sa thumbs up po. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you sa 12 million in the house. Salamat.
Hello guys!
Hello, guys.
Nakaw pa lang kami.
Hello, guys. Nakaon pa lang sila. Charot. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you sa 15 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Yung masayahin. Hindi na lonely. No, no need to be lonely. 5 thumbs up. Lonely nights. Thank you. Thank you for the 15 million in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. Kumusta kayo? Hi, it's 9:20. Oh my god. Hi, JP the Pirate. Good evening, JP. Why a lonely night? Lonely night. Yeah. Team Harley, hi. What you thinking about? Can I have one, please? Hi, Don. Ramon, same. Nice leg. Nice legs. Thanks. Jose Costa. Minha Linda. Todo bem com você? What? Just one bite. Team, bom dia. Queria saber que todos vocês sempre forte abraço, beijo. Hi. Zarmil, hello. I am Myanmar. You're from Myanmar. Thank you so much for watching from Myanmar. Hi, GP. Thank you, GP. GP the Pirate, thank you so much. What is thinking about? I thinking about how I earn, of course, money. Wake up. Hi, wake up. Thank you so much. Oh, Minha Linda Princesa. Thank you, Se. What time is it there? Time is it there here? 9:27 p.m. JP. Just it's 9:20 there. Yeah. Jeff by Tim Harley. Priyanshu Tiwari, I love you. Hi. Cheryl, answer the question. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about how I earn money, of course. Need to pay the bills. Priyanshu Tiwari, may IFC but Karonga. What it means? What mean? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Summer feels here. Burp. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Ashes, very sexy looking. Thank you. Very beautiful looking. Thank you so much, Ashes. Shesh. Very thank you, thank you. Reiki na. Filipino ka? Yes po, Mapsi. Mapsi, I'm a Filipina. Filipino. Pinoy ako. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Harley, good morning, princess. Hi, Harley. Summer feels here. GP, what is you are eating? Nuts. The nuts. Boy bawang. Nuts. I eat nuts. You are giving me the munchies. Yeah. Hi, Reiki. Oh. Hello. Salamat. Thank you so for the 15 million in the house. Salamat po. Thank you guys. Still waiting to meet your friend. Ah, Harley, really? You want to meet my friend? Ah, Ricky. Sinasabi mo ba yan sa'yo? Parang bumaliktad lang sa'yo yan. Para sa'yo yan. Ricky. Ayan ba yan? No, it's for you, not for me. That's not for me, it's for you. You don't know me. Hindi mo ako kilala. Kaya para sa'yo yan. Mas bobo ka. Use your mind. No. You said where are you outside your home? Yeah, outside home. JP, I'm outside home. You said you would introduce her. You, yes.
Nalimutan mo na.
Ayun. Are you in a big neighborhood? Yes, big neighborhood. Hi, Spring Buhay USA. Hi, Spring Buhay USA. Thank you for visiting my live. Thank you. GP the Pirate, are you in a big neighborhood? Yes, big neighborhood. Hi, Uya. Good evening. Uya Bagad. Remark Torregosa. Hi, Remark. Hello, Hoss. Hi for GTV Hector Vlog. Hi po. Mapsi. Ano yan? Hindi ko naintindihan. Team Harley. 4G TV Hector Vlog. Hi. So you have a boyfriend? Huh? Do you have a boyfriend? I have so many friends, boy. I have friends. Say, ano ba yun? Thank you for the thumbs up. Sabine subs, love you. Thank you, Sabine. Where are you from, Sabine? Romel. Ano ba yan? We need to put Riley in timeout. Yes. You need to put Tim Harley Riley timeout. Yes. Also Romel. She put toxic um unrespectful message. Nambia. Oh, thank you so much, Sabian Subs, for Wow, Cheryl, that is not fair. Why? Why Ray Miller? They are talk to me, and Ray Miller, they are talk to me. They said me very unrespectful. Not fair, you're way too gorgeous. What? Okay, don't delete them. I will take care of them. Okay. I don't know. GP the Pirate, have you spent much time out of your local area? Yeah. Yeah, GP. What is your name? My name is Cheryl. My first time here and I'm already enjoying the view. Greeting and all love from Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you, Ray Miller. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ray, Ray Miller. Shout out Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Thank you, guys. I was saying your beauty is too beautiful, not fair. Ah, okay. Thank you, Ray Miller. I misunderstand. Sorry, I'm just misunderstand. Thank you for the 15 million in the house. Mopsy, someone wants to flirt with you. Yeah. Someone wants to flirt. And it's uh, not good, right? Channel Matthew. Hi, Channel Matthew. Oh my god, I'm subscribing now. Thank you, Ray Miller. Thank you so much for subscribing me and the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. My armpit. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys. Di Castro Sarks dyan. Shout out po from Philippines. Hi! Taga Pilipinas ako. Filipina, Bicolana. Thank you, Di Castro Sarks dyan. Thank you so much. Cheryl, guess what my middle name is? Ray Miller. Middle is, I don't know. I don't know, Ray Miller. Kaunta, guys. Thank you. Yes, Raymar, kaunta, guys. Ray, my middle name is your future husband. Wow! How old are you, Ray Miller? How old are you? Janet Trent. Hi, Jonathan. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Salamat for the thumbs up. 44 years old. Ah, okay. I thought you're young. Ray Miller, get in line. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Cute tonight till tomorrow. Jonathan. JV the Parrot. When I fly into Cebu, I will spend a couple of days acclimatizing and getting over jet lag. Jet lag? Any places there you recommend to visit? Bi- Uh, come here in the Bicol. Bicol, also a good place to visit. So pretty, Janet Tran, JP the Pirate. I recommend, of course, Bicol, my province. Team, no sir, no, lol, I am the line. I'm on front. Marry Ree, so you can be married. Mopsy. Team, copy that, lol. Team Harley, Ree Miller is a nice man. What's happened? Marry Ree, so you can be married. Mopsy, exactly. You marry me. Aray ko. Janet Trent. Ricardo Mondares Ramos. Shout out po, ma'am. Hi, Ricardo Mondares Ramos. Thank you. Thank you for visiting my live. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Salamat. I'm from Surigao del Sur. Ay, taga Bicol po ako. Bicolana po. Dito lang sa Pilipinas. Biglan. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Biglan. What are you eating? I'm eating nuts. I eat nuts. Johnny Trent, I take very good care of you. Wow. Sana all. One like for you. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much for the like. Hooray, you already asked for that. It's okay. I already asked what. What she eating? Ah, okay. Akala ko Akala ko. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribe. Thank you, Dicasto Sarex John. Thank you so much. Janet Trump, is it hot there? Yeah. Hot here. Summer feels here in Philippines. Summer. Cheryl, I think the other two guys left. Huh? Left? Hi, Jerry. Left? Other guys? Two other guys. Like and done. Thank you so much, Jerry. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ako lang ba ang Pilipino dito, ate? Di ka sa Sarex. Hindi ko alam. Puro sila ano eh. Puro sila English. O taga-ibang lahi. Siguro. Thank you, Di Castro. At least, diba, nakasalita. Ang hirap. Hi, I'm your Tiny Kate 3739. Hi, Tiny Kate. I love your video. Thank you so much, Tiny Kate. JP, what kind of music are you into? I don't know. Hi, I'm old. Jerry, thank you for the thumbs up. I like classic music. Into? What? Hello, beautiful. Hi, Razel Treasure. Hi po. J-Music. Hi, J-Music. Tinikit, ang ganda mo po, ate. Saan ba? Charot. Salamat, Tinikit. Janet Trent, I was visitor country soon. Wow. Where are you from, Janet Trent? Where are you from? Si hi po, ganda. Hi, Tinikate. Hello, guys. Hi. Charot. USA. You're from USA, Janet Trent. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live stream. Oh my God. Hi. Hi. Hi sa all. Hi, everyone. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up po. Saan yan, host? Sa amin. Sa labas ng bahay. Ray Miller, Jesus just called my other cell phone. He confirmed that Cheryl and I will marry, then have 7 kids. 7 kids. I told our God that he must be mistaken because it's gonna be 14 kids, huge Miller family. My God. 15, 14, oh my God. How can I pregnant 14? I almost menopausing stage na. Ono Vlog, hello. Hi po, Ono Vlog. Salamat sa pagpunta. Where in USA, Johnny? Tinikit, thank you. Thank you so much, Tinikit. Ticastro, Zarex dyan. Puro English ang nasa live mo, ate. Oo nga eh. Puro English. Spoken dollar, no? Puro puro nahirapan ako. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindi nila yung sinasabi ko. Bahala na. Tinikit, thank you, Tinikit. Salamat, Ticastro, Zarex dyan. Thank you so much. J-Music, oo nga. Sa labas pala ng bahay nyo. Opo. Sa labas ako ng bahay. Andito yung bahay namin. Nandun yung kwarto. Nandun yung kwarto. Papasok. Bahay. Tapos nandito lang ako sa labas. Akala mo nasa ang lugar, lupalop, no? Salamat po. Salamat. Sa Manila ba yan? No, Bicol po. Sa Bicol po. Province. Probinsya po ng Bicol. I come there and find a wife. Hopefully. Okay. I have friends, single friends here. Janet Trent. Single woman. Ano po real name mo po? Cheryl po. Ang real name ko talaga is Cheryl Tinikit. Miller, she already has 2 kids. Two kids. Ono Vlog. Thank you so much, Ono Vlog. And Jana. Jana. Tini Kate, we love you po, te. Salamat, Tini Kate. Love you too, Tini Kate. Thank you so much. Okay. Hi, Greg. Thumbs up dan maganda, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Hi, Greg. Salamat. Bahala na si Batman dyan. Bahala na talaga. Bahala na sila. Johnny Trent, so beautiful. Thank you, Johnny. Ray Miller. So do I have two sons, single dad. They are half black, half Asian. See, I love my Asian queens. Ano ba yun? We love you, te. Thank you. I love you too, Tanike. Thank you so much. Nice figure. Anel Saxina. Thank you, Anel. Where are you from, Anel Saxina? Di ka susarix dyan. Madaming tagalabas. Correct. Ang daming tagalabas ng bansa. Ay, Bicolana ka pala. Yes, Bicolana. Greg, please comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much, Greg. Janet Trent, hook me up. Well, Meller is almost taken. Oh my God. J-Music Signy. Yan sa Bicol, Manay. Sa Sorsogon po. Sa Sorsogon po. J-Music. Sorsoganon. Sa Bicol. Ray Miller, either cats are growling or my future wife is hungry. Need more than those nuts. Thank you for the 18 thumbs up. Salamat. J-Music, may asawa. May asawang sa likod mo. Ay, umbagon ko yung asawang sa likod. Supohong ko, suntohong ko ba? Mahadok man sa akan aswang. Tini Kate, mas maganda ka po kaysa sa akin. Talaga. Sa ano lang, sa camera lang ako maganda, pero sa personal, I think mas maganda ka. Sa camera lang, peke yung ganda. Sana lang maganda, sa social media lang ba. Swan Hill Family. Hi po. Hi Swan Hill Family. Ticaso Sarix. Kaway-kaway taga Bicol. Hi! Shout out mga Bicolano. Ayan. Proud to be Bicolana. J-Music, may duwang mata sa likod mo, Manay. Ayaw na nga ni Sing kapanghadok ba? Ginigirabuhan na nga ni ako. How old are you po? 40 years old, Tenikit. I'm 40 years old. JP the Pirate, are you going to be my guide? Yes, I will. I will, JP. I'm happy to serve. Wait, I see. I'm happy to serve. You are amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Janet Rand. Mga paudo baga kita. Correct. Mga paudo nga. We love you, Te. We love you too. I love you then, Tinike. Thank you so much, Tinike. Ray Miller, Team Simmer down. A tad bit. You are the moderator, not her dad. Oh my God. Tinike, may asawa po kayo mawala. Lolo ko talaga. Taga Sorsogon, Manay. Okay. Saan didi sa Sorsogon? Didi. Saan didi sa Sorsogon? Not, but maybe her future husband. So respect me. Wala na. Janet Trent, that smile is so beautiful. Thank you, Janet Trent. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Manloloko ang cameraman ay itapok na yan camera. Oh. Ayaw, okay. Atog didi lang ako na gayon. Intatagan baga kita sin ano, sin happiness. Happiness din na, ano, kunyari magayon, di ba? Kunyari magayon. Pero sa personal, kabaro? Janet Trent, you are not future husband. That's going to be me. Hala na. Ay, Cheryl, Linda Amor, Daminha, Vida Bioho, Manuel, thank you for the 20 likes. Thank you so much sa 20 likes. At sa likod mo may matama na. Atog, ayaw na nga ni pagpara, ano, pagpara hadok-hadok. Mga tururog na pati ang mga tao digde. Sounds awesome. Hi JP, Ray Miller, I haven't respected you at all. I've been thinking to her, you keep polishing shit. She is very beautiful. If you guys gonna flirt with her, Allah, oh my God. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bellissimi Gambe Amore. Hi, Ninomi. Please, Ariko. Hi, Ninomi. Thank you so much. J Music, dakol ako pinsan dyan sa Sorsogon. Ah, talaga. Anong ano dyan? Mga family, ano na yan? Pilyado ba? Understand that, Miller. Oh my God. Ninomi, please, Ariko Shao. Where are you from, Ninomi, please, Ariko? Are you from Italy? I think. Your language sounds like Italy. Magandang gabi, Tita Marie. Magandang gabi. Hi, Tita. Ay, salamat. Tita Marie, kumusta? American man, hello. Back. Hi, thank you. American man, kumusta? J Music na tagabi mo ako. Jacket. Ay, sige, sorry man. Oh, jacket na. Sorry. O, yadi na. Yadi na ang jacket. Kung di, not asking, give, ano, I don't give, so, need to ask if asking for a jacket. Mayroon ka ng jacket. My future wife. Hala na. Amayon pa, mga turog na tao dyan. Mga turog na nga ni ang tao. Tururog na. Team, thank you, sir. Di ka sa Sykes dyan. Dahil mabait ako, mag-send ako ng 100 piso para sa'yo, ate. Ay, salamat. Thank you, Di Castro. Sarix dyan. Salamat po. Paano ka mag-send? Pwede ba dyan sa ano? J Music, Valyadad, Led Family. Hi po. Salamat sa 100 pesos. 1,000 pesos pala. Talaga, 1,000 pesos. Sana all. Sana all. Paano? JP the Pirate, love seeing your smile. Thank you, JP. Thank you so much. Okay lang po, American man. Okay. Thank you, so 17 million in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, salamat sa 21 thumbs up. Happy. No need to be lonely. Manuel, oy, Cheryl, Linda, Bosi, Midame, Tizal, Beho. Thank you. What it means? J Music. 5,000 pesos para kang ate. Talaga. Paano mo isasend? Parang yayamanin to si Ticasso Sarix dyan. Ticasso Sarix dyan. Salamat po. 5,000 pesos. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Digdi hapon pa lang sa amo. Diin ka banda. Saang bansa ka ngayon, J Music? Team Harley. Just she can't be your tour guide, but she charges 3,000 USD dollars and must send 2 months in advance. She when you going there. Huh? Team? What? Jeff? Hindi ka ba monetize? Hindi pa ako monetize. Kailangan ko ng watch hour para ma-monetize. Ay, ang tagal. Gabi na po. Nanay ko na money. Gabi na po, nay ko na money. 1,000. Talaga? Salamat, American man. Ray Miller, actually, I'm booking my flight right now. Cheryl B, just make sure you are on the picking me up from the airport as soon as you get back to your house. We are going live. They will be met. Huh? I have no house. I have no own house. I live with my parents, so I don't know if I don't know. I have no house, Ray Miller. I live with my parents. Sarah Banan, game over. What? J Music, hindi pa naman monetize. Kaya wala pa yan palipad. Oo nga, wala pang palipad. Di pa monetize. Hermado Cercidelo. Tayo ka, madam. Bakit po? Team Harley, your funny Ray Miller won't happen. Mag-SC ka para madali watch hour manay. Anong SC? J Music. Anong ibig sabihin ng SC? Hindi ko alam yun. Hi, Beauty Queen. Parb Hotel. Johnny Trent. No use trying, guys. She is already my future wife. Oh my God. Ate, April Fools lang. Okay. Message. Team Harley. Team Harley, host, what happened? You deleted someone message. Saudi ako, mane. Okay. May sipag. Ingat ka dyan, J Music. And God bless you lagi. Tapos, ano lang. Ingat sa sarili, alagaan ang sarili. Yan. Ganon. Wala masabi na. Tayo, madam. Bakit? Bakit kailangan ko tumayo? Me sent lang ako sa imo, ha. Okay lang po, American man. Thank you so much. Team, what happened, team? Host, you deleted someone message. May screencast man ay isang buwan, kuha mo na yan. Screencast? Talaga? Wait lang. I get you a house. Wow! Janet Trent. Agdish. Hi, Agdish. Thank you, Agdish. Hello, Kobe. Ray Miller, it's okay. We will go visit your parents. Tell them hi. Then tell bye. As we go by our own home. Sana all. Team Tricky $3 for a tour guide. Is that payday? That's expensive. I hired one including transportation and food for 500. I don't know. Hindi ko alam ang sinasabi na. Hindi ko, what happening? Why having a $3K? Where is that? Team Harley, it won't happen. She is a faithful girl. What? Huh? You are so beautiful. Michi Williams. Thank you, Michi Williams. Gawa ka video na 3 seconds. 30 seconds lang, tapos screencast. Kahit iwan mo lang yan at gawin mo 15 hours para madali. Okay. For the 1 week, tita. No, for the 1 week. Wow. J Pirate, sorry Cheryl, here to chat with you, not Tim. Harley, he is interfering too much and ruining things for people. I may come back sometimes in the future. Oh my god. Thank you, Jeff. Team Harley, what's happening? Jeff is my, my friends. What happened? Oh my god. Sorry, Jeffy. What's happened? Oh my god. Thumbs up, cause. Thank you. Trick channel. Ray Miller. Team, I am her bodyguard because I'm going to guard her body. Helena. Janet Tran. Team, you are going to be a distant memory. She is my picture vibe. Remember, beside Jesus already confirmed it. Time are not unavailable. Surely, just tell the truth. Huh? Oh my god, what's happening? I remember so well the time that you came. Wala nang paramdam si Tita Marie, any of you guys been to the Philippines? If you go, I will be a total culture shock. Be prepared to pay for your girl, her family, neighbors, and barangay. Family, friends, relatives. Real talk, no? Real talk. Barangays, neighborhood, Tikaso Sarix dyan. Totoo to, ate. Pag inabot ang live mo ng 100 like, magpapadala ako ng 500 pesos. Deal ba? Mahirap yung 100 likes na yan. She is telling the truth. She will marry me soon. Hello, Tita. Guy Greg. That's true. Tita Marie said it's really true. Cheryl, why is brother Tim is so uncomfortable, Lul? Is he an anti-atheist or does he chooses to disagree with the Lord Jesus Christ plans for us, Lul? Oh my God. Janet Trump, I don't mind paying if that's what it takes to make her my wife. Oh my god. Thank you so much for the 22 likes. Thank you guys. I know. Oh. Ay. Ay. Darren Hawk, are you good wife? Fuck you, Ray Miller. I am Catholic, so fuck off now. Oh my god. Chris Raps, like, hi, hello, Tita Marie. The Filipinas will treat you like a celebrity. Money is your bait. Aray ko. Yeah. Like please para matanggap ni ate ang 500. Hi Greg from Tita Marie. Maganda ka, Francisa. Elsibal, thank you Elsibal. Janet Friendly, can you flirt but she is still going to be my wife. Lana. Hi Greg. Charat. Hi team from Greg. Make me some popcorn. Tita. Natatawa talaga ako. Parang ang ganda-ganda ko. Charot. Ang mga kaya. Greg Mingbin. Some popcorn. Janet Trump. Love when you get that big smile on your face. Thank you. Donnie Halcomb. Hi, Donnie. Thank you. Greg. Cheryl. We have guys fighting all the time. Oh my God. Di kaso sa Alex dyan, ate hindi ako nagpapatawa seryoso. Sige po. Hi guys. Sana po maka 100 likes po kasi may gift sa akin si Di kaso sa Alex dyan. Oh my God. 500 million. Ay 500 pesos. Pag Jollibee. Tita, don't start. Haha. Roy Miller, hi team, brother Lul. It's okay, you are definitely invited to the wedding. You can be the maid of honor, my best man, or the flower girl. RSVP, soon the brother, we can't do this without you, bro. Oh my. Popcorn. Roy Miller, oh my God, 100%. Thank you. Lian Range, Honey Roll. He looks like I will remember you, Cheryl. Hi, Lian. Team Harley. Ray, I have the power to ban you, but I want to stop. Oh my God. Don't do that, Tim. You are so beautiful, Donnie Halcom. Thank you so much, Donnie. Tita Marie. Tim, I like stirring the pot. Janet Trump, it's no fight. You are just kidding. She knows she's going to be with me. Leon Rain, Panero. Hey, it looks like I remember you. Huh? I know, tita. Because Sarix dyan, 50 likes partida na to. Sana maka 50 likes. 500, pang Jollibee. Guys, pa-likes po. Partida, 50, likes. Di kaso Sarix dyan, give me a gift for the 500, pang Jollibee. Sana 50 likes, please. Likes. Team Harley, I said 1. Tita Marie, thanks Greg for the popcorn, and now it starts. Popcorn. Ray Miller, I haven't violated. I have not used profanity or made threats or insult, but you have time, sir. So you can't ban shit. Plus, Cheryl herself just advise you as well. Oh my God. No, stop hating, guys. Just, be kind, no? No need to, uh, thank you, guys, for the, thumbs up. Ay, sumasakit ang ulo ko. God. Okay, and Johnny. Her rent is due, and mini bills sad. You can pay her bills and stuff. Still save this money. Like this live. Thank you for the like. Pa-like ng live. For the 500 pesos. Please po. Fame no problem. By Janet Trump. Norvel Arandoke. Hi, Norvel. Tita Marie. Cost 1,500 for 2 people at McDo's here. Huh? Kamahal. McDo? 1,500 for 2 people. Expensive. Ray, you, I'm Catholic, so respect my religion. I'm a grown-ass man. Only person who can ban me is Jesus. Team, you should keep it professional and playful. I told her I'm not gonna ban you. I haven't said one word about your religion. Money is nothing. Believe it's the man's job to take care of his woman. Absolutely. Oo, sobrang mahal dito. Number 2 combo meals. Mahal na. Mahal talaga ang ano na cost of living. Mahal ta, expensive yung cost of living. You said I was atheist. Oh my God. Atheist, means atheist, no religion. Johnny, you can't afford her. Maybe Tim Harley, he can send me 35, $3,000. Expensive. Maybe I spell wrong. Jonathan, email Tim, you set down, I got this. Set down. Thank you. Thank you guys. 24 thumbs up. Wait. Cause I'm dreaming with you all night. Di todo ang puko bom di linda gatinha delesya gotosya. Ano? Ti amo. Gotosiyan ti amo. What it means? Di todo ang puko. What it means? Team Harley, Johnny, you can't even afford a candy bar. Moron on Belo Horizonte. What mean? Horizonte. Benjaminas Piraes Sotero. What it means? Dito do ang poco. What it means? Tenho Careta Estian. Di ka sa jam. Paano ba yan, ate? Walang nag-like sa live mo. Answer me. Please, anong nasasabi mo, ate? Okay lang. Okay. Happy naman ako sa 24 likes. Maybe next time. Okay lang, hindi ka sa Sarex dyan. No pressure, no? Miss you, Cabela Estelendo. Di todo un poco. Hi po, thank you. Janet Tran, time is the kind of man that likes to Di todo un poco. Miss Wamini Brasa. Gosse esta o madalas siya. Ano? Moro na Baero Ferry. Hindi ko naintindihan.